Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you another fun cookie decorating tutorial. We're going to make these colorful Christmas mini cookies. Before we jump to the tutorial, I wanted to tell you that this video is sponsored by Wilton. Thanks to Wilton for sending me all the tools that I needed to make these adorable cookies. I used their mini cookie cutters along with festive sprinkles and metallic paints. I first baked the cookies using my sugar cookie dough recipe. You can find this recipe on my blog, hanialas.com. Then I prepared royal icing and now we are ready to decorate. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with decorating mini gingerbread men. I'm using brown royal icing, 20-second consistency. To make this shade of brown, I used gel colors. You can use brown and add a touch of yellow or orange to make it the shade you like. And then we're gonna let it crust before adding details with piping consistency royal icing. If you are not familiar with consistencies, be sure to check my detailed video tutorial on a subject. I'm gonna include a link in the description box under the video. Or if you are more of a picture learner, you can visit my blog. I have a detailed step-by-step picture tutorial on my blog as well. To make the buttons, I used confetti sprinkles. And now we can make a snowflake. To make this light blue royal icing, you just need to add a tiny amount of blue food coloring into the white icing. I'm also using 20-second consistency here. We're gonna let this dry, and then we can add white design on the top. I'm using piping consistency here. And to make a frosty look, we're gonna dip it into sanding sugar. You want to make sure that you dip it right after you pipe the lines so they are not crusted over and sanding sugar is going to stick to the icing. To make the mitten, I'm using gray royal icing. To make the gray, you just need to add a tiny amount of black food coloring into the white icing. If you prefer your gray to be lighter, add less gel color. If you prefer to be darker, add more. We're gonna add white lines across and red line in the middle. And this is called wet on wet technique. I piped lines onto the wet gray and now I'm running a needle tool through the icing, creating chevron pattern. Allow icing to crust and then pipe a tight zigzag pattern on the bottom. To make the stockings, we're going to use red royal icing and white icing to make polka dots. This is also wet on wet. And both of these should be about 20-second consistency. I'm going to let that dry and then we can use these festive gold sprinkles. Aren't they pretty? So I'm going to actually pipe the same brown icing we used on the gingerbread man, and then we're going to immediately dust it with gold sprinkles. You can also use white nonpareils. Here's another design that you guys can try. I often get asked, how do I make red royal icing? Red royal icing, it's not that difficult to make. I would recommend that you let the icing rest overnight and up to 2-3 days. It deepens as it rests, so you don't have to use as much food coloring. Another design is a cute mini tree, so I'm using green royal icing. This is a leaf green mixed with just a touch of yellow to make it a bit brighter. and it's also 20-second consistency. Take white royal icing and pipe 3 dots all over, and then let it dry. To decorate, I'm going to use these gold, silver and white nonpareils. Pipe a garland across and immediately dust it with sprinkles. This snowflake is going to be decorated with plain white royal icing that is beautiful on its own. So first I'm going to outline and flood it with white 20-second consistency. We're going to let it crust, and then we can pipe details with piping consistency white royal icing. And now we can make this cute snowman. Outline and flood with white icing 20-second consistency, and then let it crust. Now that the icing is crusted, we can make the hat. I'm using dark gray royal icing. This is the same icing I used to make the mitten. Now we're gonna let that dry, and then we can decorate the hat with sprinkles. Use black royal icing piping consistency, pipe a line across, and then dip it in sprinkles. Use green royal icing to make the scarf. Pipe the eyes, mouth, and the buttons. And let's not forget the carrot for the nose. To make this pretty ornament, we're going to use wet on wet technique. So first pipe white icing outline and then flood it, and then immediately take red icing, which should also be about 20-second consistency, and pipe the lines across. And now you can take green royal icing and pipe another set of lines across like so. Let this crust, and then you can make the top using zigzag pattern. I'm going to decorate with gold edible paint. You just need a little bit of the paint on a brush, and then paint the yellow part. Now to make the lights, I'm going to make 3 colors: green, red, and yellow. While green is still wet, take white royal icing and pipe a curved line like so, and then shape it with a needle tool, and let this crust well before you pipe the coil. To pipe the coil, I'm using piping consistency royal icing, going back and forth. Let it dry completely, and then paint the coil part with silver edible paint. I'm using one of these brushes to paint. These are Wilton brushes that I absolutely love, and I would highly recommend these if you don't have these. Now we're going to make a simple star. Here I'm using, this is a golden yellow colored royal icing. Again, this is 20-second consistency. I'm going to outline and flood here and let it dry completely, and then paint with gold edible paint for a little bit of shine. To make the candy cane, outline and flat the cookie with white royal icing, 20-second consistency, and let it dry completely. To decorate, I'm going to use red sanding sugar. Pipe straight lines across with piping consistency red royal icing, and then dip it in red sanding sugar. Allow icing to dry completely before you package these into a festive bakery box. This box is also available at wilton.com. And for all the tools and recipes used in today's tutorial, be sure to visit my blog hanielas.com. Link is in the description box under the video. Thanks to Wilton for sponsoring this video. And for those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. And I will see you next time.